this video we're going to look at how we calculate refractive index problems. So here's question 1. We've got to calculate the refractive index for a light going from air into a material in which its speed is 2.6 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So let's write down what we know. Well, the speed in air we know is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. The speed in the media is 2.6 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So I'm going to use the refractive index formulae. Now this is made up of the refractive index equals the speed in air divided by the speed in the media. So I substitute in my values. So it's 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by 2.6 times 10 to the 8. Calculate that through and that will give me the refractive index, which is 1.15. Now there are no units in this case because basically refractive index is a ratio. So the units cancel out. Let's look at the second question then. So in this question we're going to do the reverse. We're going to calculate the speed of light in a specific media when we know the refractive index. Now the refractive index in this scenario is 1.3. So again, let's put down what we know. We know our refractive index is 1.3. This is in the media. We also know that the speed of light in air is 3 times 10 to the 8. And obviously we've got to find what the speed of the media is. So this is just a rearrangement of our refractive index formulae. So we know that the refractive index equals the speed in air divided by the speed in the media. So I'm going to have to rearrange it. So I'll move the refractive index down and move the speed of the media up. So the speed of the media will equal the speed in air divided by the refractive index. So let's substitute that in. So we get 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by 1.3. Calculate it through, and that's going to give me a speed of 2.3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Thank you for watching.